2 days ago, I got this comment. Now, this guy is just completely correct. endl doesn't just move output to a new line, that's what newline does. In this video, I'm going to be going over the differences between the two, so stick around till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, endl and newline are pretty similar in the things that they do, and we're going to run this to make sure. So we're going to compile and run this code. As you can see, we have an example here, an endl example and a newline example. And when we compile and run this, we see that they give the same output. Hello world, hello world. Now here's the important difference. /n just creates a new line, which is just one thing that it has to do. endl, on the other hand, creates a new line and flushes the output buffer. That's two things that it has to do. So newline is faster than endl because newline has to do one thing while endl has to do two things. Flushing means sending everything to the screen immediately, so it takes an extra step. Think of it like this. When you're moving to a new house, endl is pretty much like putting one box in the moving van and then going to the house and then coming back and then taking another box and putting it in and then doing that over and over and over again. While newline is just putting all your items all at once inside the moving van and going one time. That is a lot faster than what endl does. So if I put this endl statement in a loop, this is going to be super slow, very slow. Whereas if I change these endls to a new line, it would go much faster. If I ran this line would create a new line and then flush everything to the output buffer, and then it would run again. It would create a new line, flush everything to the output buffer, run again, and do that over and over and over again. This is super slow. Now, when should you use each? You want to use newline when you want speed and normal output. However, you want to use endl when you want output immediately for things like debugging or real-time logs. So just remember, newline is faster than endl, but endl gives you the output immediately.